gather here today to celebrate and honor Bill and Terry Hanley. They are truly a part of American history.
Well, I came upon the child of God. He was walking along the road, and I asked him, "Tell me, where are you going?" Mister told me.
As young boys, Bill and later Terry became very interested in electronics.
Joining in rock and rollin'. Got to get back to the land, set my soul free. We are stars.
In 1965, Hanley's sound was asked by the White House to provide the sound equipment for President Lyndon Baines Johnson inaugural ceremonies. But Bill and Terry's biggest thrill was when they were approached to provide the sound setup for a little 3-day music and art festival that changed the history of rock and roll.
By the time we got to Woodstock, we were very strong. And everywhere was a song and a celebration.
Bill and Terry realized that each person should be able to hear a band, speech or song in the same clear way.
Mr. Bill Hanley.
I could not have accomplished what I did by myself. I'd like to thank and give special attention to the following people. My brother Terry, Judy Bernstein, Harold Cohen, Rick Slattery, Ray Fournier, Dave Roberts, Mike Elliott, Ken Summers, Kelly Sullivan, Lee Osborne. Thank you to my three sisters, Patty, Barbara, Susan, for their support, and John Kane, who pulled off this great event. My amazing wife, Rhoda, stood by my side for 43 years, and my son, I love and respect you. Thank you all, family and friends, who's come here today to celebrate this special event. Thank you very much.
Mr. Terry Hanley.
Hi, I'd like to thank everybody that made this possible, everybody that came out today. This is my wife, Kay, and my daughters, Caitlin and Morgan, who've come in from across the country to be with us. I think I'm privileged to work with all the people I have over the years and done all the events I have. It's brought tremendous satisfaction. There's been a lot of personal sacrifice, but it's all part of getting the show to go on. Enjoy yourselves, have a great time, and thank you.